Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. If you've been growing brassicas in your garden, you know they can produce a lot of plant matter, especially after harvest. But don't throw those scraps away. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing liquid fertilizer using your leftover brassica plant matter that's both eco-friendly and great for your garden. Start by collecting the used plant matter from your brassicas. This includes the stems, leaves, and any parts of the plant that you've pruned or harvested. Not only is this a great way to reduce waste, but it ensures that you're recycling nutrients back into your soil. Brassicas are packed with minerals and nutrients like nitrogen, so they'll provide a boost to your garden. Now it's time to prepare the fertilizer. You will need a large container, a strainer, and some water. I'm using a 5-gallon bucket with a paint strainer and some rainwater that I collected. The first step is to fill your container with your Brassica plant matter. Let's take things up a notch. I'm adding leaf mold and compost to the mix. Leaf mold is rich in organic matter and helps improve the soil structure by adding humus. It also boosts the microbial population in the mix, which speeds up decomposition and ensures your fertilizer is full of beneficial microorganisms. Compost, on the other hand, is loaded with a wide range of beneficial microbes and nutrients, which help break down the plant matter faster and enrich the liquid with a variety of essential elements like phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Now it's time to add the water. Fill your container with enough water to cover the plant matter, compost, and leaf mold. This helps the nutrients leach into the water as it breaks down. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. You want to make sure the compost and leaf mold get well incorporated into the solution so the nutrients can be released evenly. Now we let the ferment process begin. Cover the container with your lid, label it, and let it sit in a warm, dry place for 1 to 2 weeks. After a week or two, the liquid will be ready to use. Simply dilute the fertilizer with water, and you can either apply it to the soil or use it as a foliar feed on your plants. So there you have it. This is an easy and natural way to recycle plant matter and provide your garden with the nutrients it needs. It's free, sustainable, and helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Give it a try and let me know how your plants react. If you're interested in how I make my ferment buckets or how I gather leaf mold, be sure to click on the videos on the screen or down in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more organic gardening tips. Thanks for watching.